What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of Aussie dollar. Let's find out what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, what we are looking at currently is the 4-hour time frame, and I see that there could be a significant trading opportunity in this instrument in this lower time frame. Now, before we see what it is, let's quickly have a look at multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll come back to this time frame to see what kind of trading opportunity we may have in this instrument. So let's first start with higher time frame. Why? Because higher time frame will give you a clear direction in the market, removing all the noise from the lower time frame. Now, first of all, look at the Aussie dollar previous monthly candle. This is a very strong bearish candle. When you see this kind of candle in other instrument as well, look at this one here. When you see this kind of strong rejection, you can expect the price to go a lot. With that being said, this monthly candle after the previous month such a bearish engulfer, we have seen a significant retracement to the upside. Now this is a healthy bearish candle, and we can expect this monthly candle also come down in Aussie dollar a lot, even at least to this level of support, which can give us a really big trading opportunity on Aussie dollar to the downside. Now let's go to the weekly time frame to see what's happening. Now weekly, we saw that there was a false breakout on the weekly that has grabbed a lot of liquidity to the downside on Aussie dollar. Followed by previous week, we saw a strong rejection from the top, tested this previous support here as a resistance, and we saw that Aussie dollar is moving down. As soon as the market opened, the buyers didn't delay anymore. We haven't seen even any week at the top. That means that it is a very strongly bearish market, broke all this level of support. Now Aussie dollar is moving to the downside. If we extend this level of support, you see that this is a very significant level of support on Aussie dollar from a very long period of time. This support has been broken completely. Let's draw this one here to see how this is doing. So weekly, monthly is aligning both for the bearish move. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Now on the daily, we saw that yesterday there has been a retest of the previous support as a resistance. With this doji has created a very strong doji after the previous day's bearish candle. The price went above, tested this previous support as resistance, and we see that the price strongly rejected, created double doji with a strong rejection. That means that this daily candle is now preparing for a big drop. So with that being said, Aussie dollar, we only can think of selling, and at the same time you see that this is the last limit for the monthly support, which is here as a support, here as a support. Now with this daily candle, this support has been penetrated to the upside, created a false breakout and then drop. So now let's see on the 4 hour how we can enter a trade. Now, on the 4 hour time frame, this is where you see that yesterday there has been a fake out to the upside, tested this previous support as a resistance, as I have mentioned in my previous USD analysis yesterday. So now at this point, what you saw that Aussie dollar has a fake out. When you see a fake out, that means that it is actually preparing for a bigger move. And at the same time, you see that Aussie dollar has created in this 4 hour time frame a structure which is a consolidation and fake out to the upside, and then this structure has been now broken with this, as you say that after the doji we saw another bearish engulfer the previous 4 hour. This current 4 hour candle is creating another doji. So what we will be doing with our students is that we'll be monitoring price action pattern, as today there is a high impact news release, and on that news release or after the news release, if we see the Aussie dollar creating the price action pattern that we are looking to trade based on the rules of our strategy, then we're looking to trade short with a high risk to reward ratio. Only if it satisfy all the rules of our strategy, then we will go short with a high risk to reward ratio to take this move to the downside. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.